All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to Nanjing, China. I literally just got out of a DD, an Uber. This is where I used to live, right over here in these buildings. I just came back over here to get my hair cut. My barber over here is like, he gives me a really nice haircut, and it's a really cheap haircut and really fast. It used to be 15 RMB, so about $2.10, and now it's 20 RMB, so about $2.80 or so. And yeah, he just gives me a really nice haircut, and I've been coming here for years because I used to literally live in this building. And I've tried to get my hair cut at other places, and either it's too expensive, a lot more expensive, like maybe 5 times, 6 times as much. But the bigger thing is they just give me a really bad haircut, and a few times the haircuts took like an hour, and it was expensive and ugly. And the guy over here just knows how to cut my hair, and it's really cheap, and I trust him. So I just took a DD, a taxi over here, like an Uber. Hello. And I just saw this guy used to cook my food all the time. I lost my train of thought. So I took an Uber over here. I'm gonna get my hair cut, and then I can run back right along the Yangtze River. It's like maybe 6K back to my apartment. So that's my plan. It's kind of a cloudy day. It's a gloomy day. Looks like it might have rained overnight. Let's see how busy this place is. Actually, this barber shop, it's like mostly for wigs. It says like, the sign says like wigs. So this is it here. It literally says it's a wig shop. There he is. So that was like a 4-minute haircut, and I think it looks pretty good. He would wash my hair if I wanted him to, but he knows like I don't need him to wash my hair. But the other places, it's like a requirement. If you go in, they wash your hair before and they wash your hair after, and yeah, they're pretty expensive. Oh, I know these people, fruit stand people. I always used to buy my fruit here. Hello, hello, hello. 你好。
Hello， 你好。
我新的相机。
摄像机。
对，最近怎么样？
挺好，
挺好的。
我找他半天。
再不再幸福点的，幸福点东西。
对。
相机效果怎么样？
特别好，这个拍的非常清楚。你好，你好。
这相机蛮好的啊。
这是现在是中国的。你好。
找他学习。
So I love coming here to go for a run because this was my, I lived over here for a year, and I really liked it over here. It's just like a really nice neighborhood, and on a nicer day I'll have to come out here and make a video, but literally it's just right down over here. Just need to go about a few hundred meters, and then there's a highway that goes along the river, not along the river, but there's actually a park next to the river. That's where I'm gonna run. And then next to the park, there's a highway. I just need to go under the highway, and then I can, hop onto a nice little path that goes across the river. But I will have to come over here one day and make a video. Let's start this run. just finished the run. It's exactly 5 miles. I didn't take into account the distance between like where I got my hair cut and the river. I had to run north a little bit. Forgot about that part. So even 5 miles. I'm just about to go get a salad. Normally I would eat it there at the place, but my wife is waiting for me, so I'll take it back and eat with her. She's having crab, which I can't eat, so I will have a salad instead. Let's go check out this place. Bakery is called Skyways, and there are 3 of them in Nanjing. There used to be 4, one of them closed down. Actually, where I lived downtown for 4 years was right across the street from the other location, and ironically where we live now is like just down the block from this location, so it's really pretty good. And it's foreign owned. I think the couple that owns it is from Belgium, I believe. They have coffee and salads and sandwiches and ice cream and cookies and cakes, and I used to get this a lot, Danish. It was like an everyday thing about 5 years ago. So it's really nice. If you come to Nanjing, definitely stop by Skyways. You won't be disappointed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like on it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, leave a comment below if you have any questions or anything. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.